Welcome to Solver Fee.
Good day. In this question, we are asked to identify the ranking of these atoms from most to least by their mass. So, mass increases, atomic mass increases as the atomic number increases. So, based on this, the correct ranking here from most to least is from gold, which is the most mass, to silver, and we have copper, and then carbon. This is based on the periodic table. Thank you.